Look at that. The snow apocalypse has already begun. It's not even here yet. All the chicken's gone. I'm gonna go to HEB after this, but it's already begun. Snow's not even here. It's crazy. And they took all the peel off, and there's no low sodium chicken. Oh, there's some back here. Okay, low sodium chicken. They took all the peel off, man. Dang, there's only one. I don't want that. I'm gonna have to go to another store. There goes the ramen. Not that I really eat it. It's crazy. HEB shelves looking a little empty, but still a lot of food. Yeah, like all the meat, dude. All the meat is gone. Or a lot of it is gone. Alright, it is 10:54 a.m. and last night it started raining. And it was already icing up last night. So, yeah, that's sorta, I can see that's, I'm pretty sure ice coming down. I don't even think the snow part's here yet. I think that's still just the icy. So let's see. So far so good. Electricity's still on. You can see the trees. I remember those trees were snowing. I'm going back to sleep. Just like the last one, 2021, I will be recording. The electricity was off for 4 or 5 days, and I do have that one out there on my channel. I think both of my channels. So it's starting to come down. But I don't think this is snow yet. But I'll keep you updated. Alright, 1:17 p.m. Saturday. So again, I don't think the snow is here yet. I have to look at the weather and see what's going on. Looks like nothing's happening right now. So there's a pause. And just ice. So again, 1:26 p.m. Oh, it's starting to come down again. This is like the light rain mix still. Yeah, the snow is not even here yet. I don't know if you can hear it hitting the window. But if you look close, you can see the ice bouncing off of the bush. Okay, it's Saturday night at 1:02 a.m. So right now I don't really hear any ice on this side, but basically it has been raining ice on and off all day. So that's what it looks like down there now compared to this morning. And when the sun comes up, or when there's a little bit more light in the morning, it'll still be cloudy, but I will show what it looks like. That is, I'm pretty sure that's not snow. I'm pretty sure that's ice down there. Sleet, ice. That's what that is. I don't know if there's supposed to be like snow coming in tomorrow. If there is, I'm probably just going to cancel my appointment that I have on Tuesday. Anyway, let me go around and get some more angles around here and show you what it looks like. Yeah, can't really see right now, obviously. I showed it again in the morning, but this is the backyard. So, too dark right now. But the good thing is the electricity has been on so far. So far, it has not gone off like it did in 2021. If you want to check out that vlog, go check it out. The 2021 winter storm vlog that I did. I vlogged everything. The electricity, it was worse than this. What you're saying, it was worse than this back then. The electricity was off for 4 or 5 days, and it was cold. And I'm sure you all heard about it on the news. I mean, unless you're like a little kid who was just born. But it's not that bad. don't know if you can hear, but ice is still hitting the window. Okay, it is 1:10 p.m. I just woke up right at 1 o'clock. 1:10 p.m. on Sunday, that's what it looks like. So it's a little bit of sunlight coming through the clouds, but it's still below freezing, so it's going to stay. Oh look, a little hole in the clouds there. Yeah, see, there's some sunlight peeking through. Again, this is this is much better. Again, it's ice, but this is much better than 2021. 2021 was crazy. So there's some birds up there. And now the birds are out. Okay, look at this. It's 4:07 p.m., man. I thought it was over. Now it's finally snowing for the first time. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cancel my appointment Tuesday. So here it comes. So again, I think most of that was ice for the most part before, but these are actual snow flurries coming down, you can see. And again, this is Sunday. Snow's coming down, finally. Alright, it is 12:09 p.m. on Monday, so the storm has passed, the sun is finally out. But it's not going to melt today, so I need to make some calls here. But I think that's pretty much it. It's definitely not as bad as it was 2021. So I think I'll end it there, but I'll get some last shots here. And I don't know if I'll step outside. I haven't stepped outside once since the storm came through. But here you go, some final shots here. And it's much brighter outside than what it's showing on the phone. Maybe I can increase it when I edit the video. You see some birds down there. So enjoy.